Dear students, let us see the new lesson. In our daily life, we often use hundreds of compounds which are made up of carbon. Food materials such as sugar, pulses, grains, fruits, vegetables, tea, coffee, etc. are made up of carbon. The fuels like coal, wood, LPG, CNG, and petroleum are also made up of carbon. And cloths are also made up of carbon compounds such as cotton, wool, silk, nylon, and polyester cloth. Have you ever thought why does this carbon form such a huge variety of compounds? We shall learn this. Actually, according to electronic configuration of carbon, it should be a metalloid because it has 4 electrons in its valence shell. Atomic number of carbon is 6. So the electronic configuration is 2, 4. But the carbon is a typical non-metal. The word carbon is derived from Latin word carbo, which means coal, as coal has higher percentage of carbon. The earth crust consists of 0.02% of carbon. It can exist in free state as well as in combined state. In atmosphere, it is found in the form of carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is only 0.03. All the fuels burn in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. All the living organisms are made up of carbon compound. The compound of carbon present in living organisms are called organic compounds. So when you see that presence of carbon in everyday life plays an important role. So in our daily life we use majority of carbon compound that are organic compound. If we want to test the presence of carbon in compound can be detected by burning test. So when an organic compound is burned in oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide, which turns lime water milky. The formation of carbon dioxide indicates that given compound is made up of carbon. The important one is everybody like that is diamond, that also one of the form of carbon. And the cheap material which we used for writing, that is pencil. Early stage we use pencil to write. Starting of our academic session of writing start with pencil. So that pencil also made by carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is in K shell 2, L shell 4. On the basis of electronic configuration, the valency of carbon is 4. Therefore, it becomes stable. It should either lose or gain electrons, but it is not possible because of two reasons. It has 4 valence electrons. It can attain stability by gaining 4 electrons, losing 4 electrons, or sharing 4 electrons with other atoms. It does not gain electrons because it is difficult for carbon protons to hold 10 electrons. If a carbon atom loses 4 electrons to form C4 plus cation to acquire noble gas configuration, then it will require large amount of energy to remove these 4 electrons, which is not possible. On the other hand, if a carbon atom gain 4 electrons and acquire noble gas configuration, then it will not be possible to anion to overcome the electrostatic forces of repulsion between electrons. So, the carbon atom cannot form ionic bond. Rather, it can share its valency electrons and another carbon atom or of the atom of nonmetal to form covalent bond. The carbon atom can form maximum 4 single covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Ionic bond is formed by losing or gaining of electrons between the atom. So when two nonmetals combine together by sharing of electrons, then covalent bonds are formed. On the basis of number of electrons shared between the bonded atoms during covalent bond formation, the covalent bond can be 3 types. First one, single covalent bond. If two bonded atoms share one electron and then single covalent bond is formed. For example, hydrogen. So, hydrogen has one electron. To attain that noble gas configuration, it needs two. Hydrogen is a duplet configuration. Hydrogen need another one more electron. So, what it is doing? It is sharing that one electron with other hydrogen atom to form hydrogen molecule. So, H dot that shows one electron of one hydrogen, another H dot another electron of hydrogen. So it is sharing those two electron between two hydrogen atom. Now two hydrogen has two electrons. Thus the bond formed between is covalent bond because it is formed by sharing of electrons. So hydrogen molecule is an example of covalent molecule. If two bonded atoms are shared 2 electrons each, then double covalent bond is formed. For example, oxygen, double covalent bond. The electronic configuration of carbon oxygen is 2 6 because the atomic number of oxygen is 8. So its valency is 2 and it has 6 valency electron. It needs 2 more electrons to complete octet. That means noble gas configuration of neon. So two oxygen atoms share two pairs of electrons resulting in the formation of double covalent bond in oxygen molecule. What is electron dot structure of oxygen? Around oxygen 6 dots are there. That shows it has 6 valency electron. So it needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet. So what it is doing? It is sharing with another oxygen. Thus, how many electrons it is sharing? It is sharing 2 electrons from each oxygen atom. So these 2 electrons are between 2 oxygen atom form double covalent bond to form a oxygen molecule. So O2 is a oxygen molecule. It is a covalent molecule. When two bonded atoms share 3 electrons each, then triple covalent bond is formed. For example, nitrogen has triple covalent bond. If you see this, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So electronic configuration is 2 5. It has 5 electrons when it needs 3 electrons to attain the noble gas configuration of neon. So two nitrogen atom share 3 pair of electron each other the formation of triple covalent bond between nitrogen molecule. So it became N2. So N triple bond N. Here is the Lewis electron dot structure of nitrogen molecule. Here are the example of covalent bond formation of different elements are there. Different element and different molecule. Go through each. Apart from this, few more examples given in your textbook also. Read that and how to draw the structure of covalent compound, and also the write up also you have to write. Actually, covalency may be defined as number of electrons contributed by each atom in the formation of a covalent bond. For example, in the molecule of nitrogen, covalency of nitrogen is 3. In the molecule of oxygen, covalency of oxygen is 2. In hydrogen and chlorine, covalency of hydrogen and chlorine is 1. In methane, that is CH4 or other compound, covalency of carbon is 4. So the compounds formed by the covalent bond formation are known as covalent compound. They can be different type. On the basis of the atom taking part covalent bond formation, the covalent compound are two types, that is homoatomic covalent molecule and heteroatomic covalent molecule. Homoatomic covalent molecule. If a covalent compound is formed due to the formation of covalent bond between same type of atom, then it is known as homoatomic molecule. For example, nitrogen, hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, etc. Heteroatomic covalent compound. If a covalent compound is formed due to the formation of covalent bond between different type of atom, then compounds are called heteroatomic compound. For example, water molecule, ammonia, methane are the example of heteroatomic molecule. So how you have to do the write up for formation of such a compound? For example, formation of hydrogen molecule. Let us see how to write. Hydrogen atom has atomic number 1, that is 1 electron in its valence shell. To become stable, it requires one more electron. Hence, two hydrogen atoms share together one electron each to form single covalent bond. Single covalent bond consists of two electrons or one pair of electrons. So first one is given the formation of hydrogen. So hydrogen, the electron dot structure, and when it combined, middle the two electrons, that is shared pair electrons. So the bond formed is single covalent bond. In this way, both the hydrogen atoms combined became stable, that they have same electronic configuration of nearest inert gas helium. So each hydrogen shared one electron, so the covalency of hydrogen is 1. The covalent bond shown by solid line between two bonded atoms. So the write up of the compound formation or molecule formation you have to write in such a way. Next, for heteroatomic atom, how to write? Let me say. So for the formation of different compound, you have to use this type of sentence. Here the example, CO2 is given. So you can see that CO2, formation of CO2 molecule. Electronic configuration of carbon is 2, 4. Electronic configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. So on the basis of electronic configuration, oxygen is observed that valency shell has 2 electrons less than inert electronic configuration. So it has 6 electrons. So it needs 2 electrons to complete its octet configuration to obtain the inert gas electronic configuration. Oxygen share 2 electrons with 2 atom of, it has to combine with 2 more another atom, but here carbon need 4 electrons to complete its octet, so it is sharing with 2 oxygen atom. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, so carbon need 4 valence electrons and oxygen need 2 valence electrons. Thus one carbon is combined with 2 oxygen atom, so it is sharing 2 electrons of oxygen of 2 atoms, 2 atom of oxygen. Carbon share 2 electrons with 2 atoms of oxygen. Thus the bond formed between carbon and oxygen is double bond, double covalent bond. So both acquire nearest inert gas configuration, that is neon. Thus the bond formed between carbon and oxygen is double bond. So after writing this, you have to write the structure also. C double bond O, this side also double bond O. This is the way you have to complete the write-up of writing of any compound formation.